Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where we will discuss about what is a Bitcoin miner or Bitcoin miner. Bitcoin miner is one way to get Bitcoin. We can see Bitcoin as a virtual and digital global financial system that stores various transaction histories. Tutupan na, tutupan na. Paano na eh. Ayaw pa, suaranya tadi. Or transactions for the movement of money. Will Bitcoin transaction are being processed by the Bitcoin network ensure that all transactions are properly recorded. See again guys, simple. What Bitcoin is processed not by individual or companies, but by the sons of computers around the world that are connected to the internet. This activity is known as miner or miner, which meaning the computer that processes Bitcoin is known as Bitcoin miner. Then how does Bitcoin mining work? How does Bitcoin mining work? Why? I don't know. What is mining and how does Bitcoin mining work? Why Bitcoin mining work is with the blockchain. Mining Bitcoin transaction occur simultaneously. The transaction that occur at the same time are grouped into the same group. The group is known as the blockchain. The group is verified by Bitcoin miner. Bitcoin miner is one way to get Bitcoin. Yes, I'm really smart. Will Bitcoin transaction are being processed by the Bitcoin network. Ensure that all transactions are properly recorded. Simple but Bitcoin is processed not by individuals or companies, but by dozens of computers around the world that are connected to the internet. This activity is known as miner or miner, which meaning that this activity is known as miner or mining, which meaning the computer that processes Bitcoin is known as a Bitcoin miner. That does Bitcoin mining work? How does Bitcoin mining work? What is mining and how does Bitcoin mining work? The why Bitcoin mining work is with the blockchain. Money Bitcoin transaction occur simultaneously, solve the transaction that occur at the same time are grouped into the same group. The group is known as the blockchain. You're ready, I'm ready, you're really. And then Bitcoin, the group is verified by Bitcoin miner. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on bell. Okay, thank you.